Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix an AirPods Pro case that's not charging. Alright, let's begin. First, connect your AirPods Pro case to a charger. If it's charging properly, you should see an amber or orange status light. If no light appears, start by checking the charging port for dust or lint. Use a SIM eject tool, wooden toothpick, or a straightened paper clip to carefully remove any debris from the charging port. Be gentle to avoid damaging the charging pins. Even a small amount of lint can prevent the cable from making a proper connection. Next, try using a different charging cable. A damaged cable may still charge your iPhone, but fail to charge your AirPods case. If your AirPods Pro case supports wireless charging, place it on a MagSafe or Qi-compatible wireless charger. If it charges wirelessly but not with a cable, the charging port may be damaged. If the issue continues, reset your AirPods. Grab the case, then press and hold the setup button on the back for about 15 to 20 seconds until the status light flashes. Once the reset is complete, reconnect your AirPods to your device and test the charging again. So that's basically how you can fix an AirPods Pro case that's not charging. That's it for this video. Thanks!